Welcome to this video on numeric types. So we're in the same project, basic types, under the same package. With the numeric types, Kotlin gives us different data types to manage our numeric data. We can start off here with the byte and the short. So this would be a short integer, so it does not use that much memory if we know it's going to be a short integer type. And then we also have int, which is which uses much more memory. So, but we can see here that we get the inference here that my int is an int. Notice these are declared as bytes and shorts. Right here, there is an inference to integer, but the suffix, the L here, that's not part of the value. That is actually a suffix here. It's letting Kotlin know that the inferred integer is a long integer, a long value, and that requires more memory. Was also here another inference of a float, but the F is again not part of the value. It is a suffix, so Kotlin is able to distinguish this value as a float or this data type as a float. Otherwise, it may be a double. So notice these are very similar, except for the suffix F, which allows Kotlin then to type this value or this data as float. We can also use underscores to make numeric values more readable. So as number values get very long, we don't use commas in computer programming, but we can use these underscores. These underscores don't change any values, but they make it more readable. So we could almost say the underscores are substitutes for the commas. And we can also use hexadecimal and binary. If we use binary, which is really shorthand for the ones and zeros that ultimately all computers process. But if we look here at hexadecimal, if we prefix with 0x or 0 uppercase x or lowercase x, we can pass in a hexadecimal value for our numbers. And if we prefix with either a 0b, either uppercase or lowercase, we can pass in the ones and zeros for a binary. So just take a look at this and see the numeric type examples. And as you can see here, we are outputting each of these so we can see the output. Again, what we'll do is go back over here to our Project Explorer. We'll right-click on the Kotlin class numeric types. We'll go down to run numeric types.kt, let it compile. And we can see here that we are seeing the output right here of all of our numeric types.